Hello everyone. On Engine Aesthetic series, I am going to install Jay's Racing oil filler cap. Let's unwrap the package. These are of Jay's Racing. Jay's Racing oil filler cap is made of strong aluminum and is several times stronger than the stock plastic cap. Let's pop the hood. I'm going to secure the hood. Let's remove the oil filler cap. And let me get this off. All you have to do is screw it on. And that's all. Probably the easiest mod ever. It looks awesome. It's these small mods which seems pretty insignificant, but they really boost up the looks of the engine bay. It's difficult to hold the camera doing that.